Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I want to do an album share with you guys. This is my Rouge Folio album, and it does measure 6 1/4 by 9 3/4. It is a landscape album. Beautiful. I used the 49th and Market Rouge Collection. And it does have a 2-inch spine, plenty of room for your photos, plenty of room, okay? And it does feature my floating folio hinge. So actually, it's a folio because the spine is, the hinges are not in the spine of the albums. Actually, it's a folio album, but folio mini album, it is made out of, does have chipboard covers, all right? I did incorporate some red and some real light pink with this album. I went a little bit out of my comfort zone and um, done some special punches and stuff. Normally, I don't do anything like that, but I did it with this one. I just thought it needed a little bit of wow. I did use quite a bit of ribbon in this album. So here, you just untie the ribbon. And we have a waterfall right here. So this opens up. And this opens up. Look at that. Beautiful. And I just use one collection of the design paper and one collection of the foundation paper. That's all I used. And then I incorporated the cardstock right along with it because I didn't want to use two collections. And then this flips for that. And there's where I'm talking about. I think I used, yeah, it's Martha Stewart's. They're pretty old, but I used the punch, and that's what I used. All right. So then this just ties back. That just holds everything in place. You can use magnets as well. I just always choose to use ribbon. So here, another ribbon to hold this all nice and tidy. And I did do, things like this to where I put it just 1/4 of an inch down. And then that way I'd have, stuff like that. I just think it adds to the album. All right. So then this flips. Again, there's my border punch. And this flips. That flips up. And then you have a pocket here. And that's some pieces from the collection. And I will be teaching this right here on YouTube. You can purchase the tutorial if you would like to. I will have it for just $8. Since I'm going to be teaching it here on YouTube, I will be giving out the measurements during class. But if you would like to have this in your hands, I'm going to be offering the tutorial. And I will put the classes in there as well. And I will be decorating this. So I will put the decorating classes inside there for you as well. Okay, so just $8. And you get the cut and guide, written instructions, all the classes, and then I will record myself decorating this, and I will put those inside there as well. Okay, and like right here, I've done some little striping of the cardstock. I think it just adds to the album. And again, that just ties shut, and we'll just pretend. Again, another ribbon. And like I said, you can always use magnets. Another waterfall. Gorgeous album. Gorgeous. Again, that just ties shut. Lots of room for photos. Lots of room. So then this flips up. And then these open up. And then you have another pocket here. Here's what it's matted. I just use the same piece all the way through. Beautiful. Okay. Then you open it up or flip, and then you have this, and then you have a slanted pocket, and there's some photo mats. But I will be teaching you how to make this, and I will start releasing the videos tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start releasing the videos on how to make this. And like I said, I will give you the measurements during class, or you can pick up the tutorial. Beautiful. What a spread. Beautiful. And this is a really easy album to make. Then you have a pocket here. Here. You have a little tuck spot here. And then this opens up. Real easy to make. Just 3 pages. Just 3 pages. And then here you have your slanted pockets. This is the back side. Then you just have that and a little tuck spot. And then that just goes inside that pocket. Oops. Just like that. All right. So there's our album. Sweet, sweet. Nope. There's the back. So I hope you will join me when I start teaching you how to make this. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments, please let me know. Please hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on my classes or album shares or whatever I want to share with you. All right. That's all I have for you. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.